Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set double tap to turn on screen in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. If you put lock screen and if you double tap on the empty screen, it should turn on. Okay. So what you have to do is, if it's not enabled in your phone, you have to go to the settings of your phone here and search auto screen. Okay, you will see auto screen on off settings. Just here you have to make sure that double tap to light is turned on. Okay, already it is on. So in my case, when I double tap on the empty screen, it's turned on. Okay, suppose if you turn off this button, double tap to light, then you will not get screen on if you double tap on locked screen. Okay, so in this way you can easily set double tap to turn on your screen in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. Okay, you have to make sure that this button is turned on. Okay, see the demo now. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.